My name's Ardil and welcome back to Cambridge Car Audio's YouTube channel. We have got an absolutely lovely example of a Generation 1 Audi R8. We're doing quite a few bits to this car, full sound system with a stock look, but also we're doing our doubled in conversion, which you would have seen plenty of times on our channel already. So let's jump into today's video. So firstly, let's talk about actually what's being changed on the vehicle. So what our client was after is obviously having a better sound in the vehicle, and that's exactly what we're achieving by changing over the components, adding new amplification. The one thing that was really essential for our client when he called in and booked over the phone was the fact he wanted a really subtle kind of stock look system, but obviously wanted that better sound. That's exactly what we've achieved. In terms of the tweeters starting off with, these are the higher frequency ranges. They're being dealt with by the new Hertz Mille Legend tweeter. Phenomenal bit of kit that allows it to sit into stock location with 3D printed adapters for all of the speakers that have gone into car. What that means is it's completely reversible. Then in terms of the 3-inch mid in the door, we're using a Hertz Mille Legend 3-inch range again. Down in the 6.5-inch woofer location in the door, we're using a Skins water guard 3D printed adapter to install this all, but that is housing a Hertz Mille Legend 6.5-inch woofer. So moving on to the rear speakers, we've actually gone for an Audison voce set that have gone into a stock location. That is no easy task. We've actually had to 3D print and model a new adapter that allows us to put that component into that stock location. But the other thing our client was after was adding a little bit more functionality. So let's show you the reversing camera. So this is what's called the Pro Fit wedge camera. It's literally seamless integration into the vehicle. And then we've got a physical cable run that goes all the way through from here, all the way into the front of the vehicle, plugging into that new head unit. So as soon as you engage reverse, automatically you see the camera image from behind. So on the actual functionality side of things, what we've done is added in a completely wireless connectivity for Apple CarPlay as well as Android Auto. So I've got my iPhone here and we've got the unit right in front of me. So this features loads more functionality, but look, literally completely wireless. I click on Apple CarPlay and I've got my music, I've got my maps, I've literally got everything I could possibly want while driving, all live in one place in a really nice way. We've also done a flush fit microphone solution up here, so there's nothing on display. And we've also retained steering wheel controls as well, which is really nice. There's actually designated videos on our channel of the Generation 1 Audi R8 head unit conversions. So make sure you go check them out when you get 5 minutes. So with the install complete, let's actually have a listen to actually how the system sounds. And honestly, so far I've already listened to a few tracks. It's really, really impressive. So very nice. As a stealth stock look system, that's really, really impressive actually. You've got a lot of depth still without a sub. This song's even got a little bit more depth to it. But the soundproofing's really performing. Yeah, no, really, really nice. I'm very, very happy with that. So obviously the soundproofing is doing a big part here. It's keeping all the audio inside the vehicle, obviously benefiting the driver and the whole driving experience, keeping out that road noise, but keeping all that great sound actually inside the vehicle makes a hell of a difference. So yeah, over the moon. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I really hope you have enjoyed it and learned something more about the Generation 1 Audi R8 sound system that we've carried out. If you have found it useful and have enjoyed today's video, it really helps our business, but also the YouTube algorithm. If you could smash that subscribe button below, like the video, and also share it with friends and family. But thank you so much again for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. We'll see you next time. We're giving away away a brand new PlayStation 5 and a controller, as well as an Audison Prima amplifier, so you guys at home can upgrade the system in your vehicle as soon as we hit 10,000 subscribers on YouTube. So help us out, smash that subscribe button, and you can be in the chance we're winning all this.